Hey, what's good guys, it's Cyber. In today's video I'm going to show you how to 3D track text in After Effects. Before I start off the video, make sure to check out my website. I do have a 50% deal on my money overlay pack right now, so go make sure to check it out. So I had a few people ask me how I do it, and I'm going to show you the sauce right now. So we're in After Effects, got this Kendrick Lamar music video, and we're just going to start working on the effect. So on the right side, we can go to tracker, select our composition. So this is going to take a while, so we're just going to wait for it to load up. So now that we have that tracked, we have these points here. These are just our tracker points, and they follow our targets or objects. And we just have to select which ones we like. So the problem is, if we select these, if you hold shift and right click, it's going to track his face, and his face does move around, so the text is going to move around along with it. We just need to get like a background tracker like this one here. We're just gonna lasso link into his body. We're gonna create text and camera. We're just gonna bring this out. This, scale it down a bit, and we're gonna type in whatever we like. So I'm just gonna do. I'm just gonna do that. Scale it down. Go to the start of the clip.
How we liking? How we liking?
The clip could be a bit better because there's not much background movement to it, so it does just track to himself, and it might get shaky at times. So I do advise getting a better clip. I did mess up this one, so we're just gonna select these two, recompose it, and now we can add a deep glow to it. We're gonna press unmult. Radius, drop down radius, drop down the exposure, and then go to drop shadow. I always do this, and just mess around with the opacity, bring it up to 100, and then the softness also bring it up. Bring down the opacity a tiny bit more. Then we can duplicate this drop shadow and change the direction to where we want the shadow to go to. We're going to turn up distance, just bring it a bit away, and the opacity, drop it down so we have like a little shadow effect. It is slight, but you could still kind of see it gives a bit more to the clip, so check it out.
How we liking?
Alright, cool. Now what I'm gonna do is just turn up the opacity, keyframe the opacity, bring the 100 up a bit, start off with 0, copy the 100 frame, paste it, go to the end of the clip, and bring it down to 0 again so we can check it out. Easy.
How we liking? How we liking?
And there we go. That's super easy to do. You could do it with many clips. You can mess around with the fonts, the way it comes in. You could add in a directional blur so it kind of like, you know, flashes into the clip. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the effect. Thank you guys for watching, and if you want anything more like this, just let me know.